In this workshop, we're going to be learning how to create some pointed petals. So these petals are great for doing lilies or other kinds of flowers. For the first movement of the petal, you want to put the tip of your brush onto the skin and kind of create a sort of a wave shape while ending up in a nice little point. Practice that movement a few times so you get comfortable with it. Now for the next part, to make a full petal, we're going to start with that first movement, and then just starting from that point, you want to create a round shape going back down to the bottom, and then you've got a nice shaped pointed petal. Once you get really comfortable with doing these petals, you don't actually need to lift your brush off the skin, and you can do both brush strokes in one movement. To create the flower, start off with one full petal, and then you just want to start from the edge of that petal to create the next one. Repeat this 5 times to get a nice 5-petal pointed flower. Once your flower is finished, you can also choose to add some leaves. And so the leaves that you can add with this flower is pretty simple. You're basically just creating the exact same shape, but then using a green one stroke. Place your leaves in between the petals. You can put down as many as you like, but I like to just keep it to about 2 or 3 leaves. Then that is your flower all done with the one strokes, but now you can add some extra details. So I'm just using a number 2 brush and I'm going to outline my flower and the leaves. When you're outlining the flower, you want to outline each petal, but just make sure that you don't bring the black all the way into the middle. Leave a little space. Now using a teal color, I'm just creating the little inside of my flower, and then I'm going to outline that as well. Add a few little lines coming from the center to give it that sort of creased petal effect. Now it's time to add some highlights and whatever other details that you want to add to it. You can add some dots or some stars or some swirls, whatever you want. Once you've finished with all of your highlights and other details, that is the flower all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial, and remember to subscribe to our channel so you can see more of these cool one-stroke workshops. And of course, all of these one-strokes and other products are available on our website, which is www.bodyfxshop.com.